the main topic of this webinar is full HVAC integration by Airzone, and will be presented, as my colleague said, by Ms. Kemlani as HVAC control engineer, and by myself, Daniel Nuño, as project engineer and Central European account manager. So we would be mainly your contacts. Well, this session consists of 4 main parts: the company, who is Airzone and what we do, supported HVAC technologies by Airzone systems, integration with KNX, and applications. We will see some real examples. Airzone, your perfect partner. Let's discover why. The company Airzone is one of the world's leading companies for intelligent HVAC control systems, manufactures and markets its smart control systems from its headquarters and factory in Malaga, south of Spain. With more than 20 years of experience, from the very beginning, Airzone has invested in a model of technology research, industrial development, and continuous innovation in its products. And you may be wondering, what does Airzone actually do? Airzone systems enable the control of all types of HVAC installations, from those in tertiary buildings to those in residential environments, placing the management of the HVAC installation's energy efficiency in the user's hands in a straightforward way, letting them embrace comfort too. Oh, sorry, back to this slide here. So over the recent years, Airzone has undergone enormous international growth, establishing the company as a global benchmark for smart HVAC control systems. Currently, our professional network stands all over the world, and thanks to our offices in our headquarters in Spain, where we are actually sitting here now, my colleague Ms. Camilani and myself, France and Italy, together with the brand new office in the USA, Airzone directly through these offices, and also indirectly collaborates with many companies within the HVAC sector, both in Europe and in these other continents. Main figures that we would like to highlight here is firstly, turnover is over 47 million euros, which an annual growth of 20%. We are over 300 employees with a product 100% made in Europe. All the company's activities are coordinated and executed from the head office, all from one place here in Malaga, from Malaga. Airzone has numerous specialized departments that work to offer the best service in their respective areas, from R&D to operations, marketing, quality, projects, electronics, and, well, Airzone's main concern is to always offer maximum quality. For this reason, it coordinates and directly implements all the phases of its product lifecycle, from the first design and quality control right through the packaging and distribution, as it can be seen here on the donut here within this slide. The company, Airzone, has its own factory with a highly automated production surface of 5,000 square meters, located in Malaga, where it manufactures and exports its smart control solutions for the rest of the world, as we work with international clients and collaborators, potentially like you. Well, 3 main points that we would like to highlight here. The company does not only limit itself to simply selling products, but rather offers multiple complementary services to its clients, which consist of 3 main areas. Projects, okay, from our technical office, we offer support to designers, so please feel free to share your HVAC projects so we can assess you. Technical support, okay, which is available to support you in any kind of problem, because that's about life. You always have to deal with issues, to offer you an efficient support for that. And third, which is something that distinguishes us from the competition, is that we have a platform called Academy, in which we offer courses and modules up to expert level in our systems, in which you are allowed and able to obtain diplomas so you become certified and official installers. Okay, these courses are available in different languages such as Spanish, English, French, Italian, and Portuguese. Understanding Airzone. What can be controlled with the Airzone system? Okay, Airzone, as we mentioned before, does much more than just zone controlling installations. Airzone offers different benefits such as, first, energy efficiency. Second, improvement in thermal control. Third, centralized and remote control and integration of different types of technology. We will then deeper into that topic, such as air conditioning units and on-the-floor heating and cooling. The user, final user, and you as professional, as profis, has the combined mode available in all these cases, and comfort is always guaranteed, getting the desired temperature in a room or in different rooms. The combined mode automatically manages either the heat pump, the water pumps, or whichever the entrails of your system to efficiently activate them at the right time for the right slot to reach comfort and keep it based on the temperatures, on the user's temperature demands. Well, now we are getting closer to two important and key words within this webinar session, KNX and Airzone. So what could be the combination here, and why is that interesting to you? Why is that interesting? Because we are integrating HVAC world and the latest IoT trends. How? By providing a long-awaited innovative solution to the market as our devices perfectly match to building management system, BMS. The management of our system can be included as an HVAC control element in KNX home automation installation. Our systems are envisioned to perfectly integrate with any type of HVAC installation. They are compatible with virtually the main manufacturers of air conditioning units, and they are adapted to any kind of building, from detached homes, flats, houses, residential blocks, to tertiary installations such as offices, hotels, clinics, and any of this kind could be your examples. So as we mentioned before, please feel free to share your installation examples, so we will assess you and support you. Well, coming to the end of my part, so I would like to talk about the supported HVAC technologies. As we said before, with Airzone, you can control any type of HVAC installation, and technologies such as direct expansion monosplit and multi-split, hydronic, air water, heat pump, direct expansion VRF, as you know very well, refrigerant flow, chill water, and radiant heating, and all of them can be combined with our solutions. And how do we control these previous mentioned units? Through some very important items that we have to highlight, so you understand better technically what is the background of it. We are proud to have the certified manufacturers protocols. We offer two-way communication. We can write and read with a seamless integration of our VRF network. We also have dry contacts on off and or modulating from 0 to 10 volts outputs to adapt the delivered capacity to match your real needs. But in that case, we have to highlight that this is covered for fan coils. Inverter communication gateways to adapt the performance to the real needs. Intelligent control of additional equipment, such as recirculating pumps, and already built-in sequences of operation. So no additional programming is required. Thanks to what? To our gateways, KNX gateways. So, and that's the last slide from my part. Then it's time for Artie. So here there is an example of an application in a detached home, or it could be also an office case, which has been solved with our Aquazone system that allows control of up to 32 zones. In this installation, we can find ducted indoor units in combination with individual units or cassettes of different manufacturers. You can see here a bus system in which there is a small module which is its own intelligence in each of the elements to be controlled. All the information of the system status can be consulted through our KNX Gateway. So thank you very much for your time, and hope you enjoy it. And now it's the time for my colleague, Ms. Kemlani.
So I will continue the presentation introducing you our integration with KNX and how do we do this. Basically, what is the Airzone Hub concept? So as Danielle had said, all the different HVAC technologies that you have traditionally, and on one hand, the purely mechanical world of HVAC, and on the other hand, you have the IoT world, sophisticated world and the software. How does Airzone combine and one world with the other? Is thanks to our API integration, voice control, and BMS and home automation control, we can mix and control the mechanical world of the HVAC with the modern and IoT world. So we provide the long-awaited solution to efficiently integrate these technologies and the units to the latest trends. And specifically with the KNX, we do it via two devices that we will see now in details, is the Agent Controller and our KNX Gateway. Here, for example, you can just see a real-life project for home automation installation integrated with KNX, where you can see it provides, KNX provides control of lights and motorized dampers and slides, and with our gateway, you can add HVAC control to this installation. So you can see it can be controlled through the interface that you have. So it's very transparent for the integrators. So you can always include HVAC control in your projects. How do we do this? So as I said, there is two ways. One for individual units. So if you have a project where you just need to control individual units, you can use our Agent KNX controller. And on the other hand, we have our KNX Communication Gateway for zoning systems. This is compatible with all our systems, the different ones that we offer for different types of solutions. And we'll get into more details. So as I said, our KNX Communication Gateway is a device that can be integrated with the majority of manufacturers of AC units, like Daikin, Mitsubishi, Panasonic, LG. So thanks to Airzone's effort in R&D, we have the proprietary protocol of each manufacturer with each unit, and this enables a two-way communication between the Airzone system and the AC unit. So thanks to this, you can do the following. Switch off and on the AC unit. You can change the operating mode from cooling, heating, ventilation, or dehumidification. You can also control the indoor unit's fan speed and the AC unit's set point temperature. All of these functionalities are controlled in accordance with parameters of each zone, like room temperature, humidity, and set point temperature defined by the user. And in return, the temperature measured by the AC unit. As I said, we'll show you, you can always get in touch with us and we'll tell you the compatibilities table for this device. We have different solutions, zoning solutions. Our projects are called Flex, AquaZone, or Radian. So this gateway, KNX Gateway, is compatible with all of our different systems. You will need one gateway per system, and this integration of Airzone conditioning with KNX Gateway is done through the twisted pair. It's the KNX TP1. The KNX is powered, the gateway is powered by the home automation bus and through our main control board. You will need one gateway per system, and with each gateway per system, you can control up to 14 zones. It's, I don't need to add, but it's a KNX certified product that the configuration, it can be done easily through the ETS software, and it also allows working with KNX thermostats. As you can see in the image, you have a connector, a standard KNX connector, which is the black and the red on the device. Now I will explain you our other project from which we can integrate with KNX. This, as I said before, it's our Agent KNX Controller. It's used for individual VRF or inverter units. It offers direct connection, two-way communication. It's a flexible control unit. You can add customized KNX scenes. It's very easy to configure, and you can keep the original features of the machine. It's also officially certified by KNX. Our Agent Controller assures the highest standards for your inverter VRF or inverter AC control and HVAC projects. It's compatible with the ETS software, so you can easily do the Agent KNX configuration and include it in any type of HVAC projects where you need to control one single unit. And it's fully KNX interoperable. Thanks to this, you can control your inverter using any other device that is connected within the KNX installation. So as you can see on this slide, three of the main benefits of our Agent Controller is that it's very easy to use and install. It's a plug-and-play device that will go attached to the HVAC unit, and it's also powered through this HVAC unit. So the installation, it only takes a matter of minutes. Thanks to this, also, you can keep the original inverter features. You don't need to add an extra thermostat. You can keep the machine's thermostat and its function and features, maximizing comfort and efficiency by communicating with the manufacturer's specific protocol. And to add, lastly but not least, you can have personalized scenes through, you can schedule the scenes as your choice. And this gives you a lot of freedom. Next. What are other features? So in addition to what I just said, you can, the Agent KNX offers 3 digital configurable inputs that you can, for example, use for a presence detector, window contact, or for multiple other purposes like scenes, blinds, or lights. So it also offers you, as I said before, temperature control, on and off, operating mode, and speed / adjustment, and yeah, so you can add all that. Before going on with the presentation, I'm going to show you on our website, which is www.airzonecontrol.com, where you can check the compatibilities of our KNX solution. And you can see we have the compatibility, so you can check all the manufacturer's brands and your indoor unit model, and you can see we have a HVAC Agent Controller that's compatible, and also you have support where you can find the videos of the installation, the data sheets, and here the integration manual for the Agent KNX Controller with and how you use it with ATS. And here is the database of the you can download it and you can easily install it and do the configuration on your computer. Okay, and lastly, we'll show you the applications. As I said, our systems can be used in many applications. Our solutions can be used in applications by sector, in residential or tertiary, and we control different types of technologies, direct expansion, VRF, air-to-water, heat pumps, and radiant elements. Here, we'll show you examples of our benefits in residential solutions. For example, the optimization of energy consumption and guarantee of total comfort of the installation, thanks to our solutions. You can also improve the energy rating. The heating and cooling production optimization, reduction in consumption and installation time. So all of this is translated into basically economical benefits. It offers you centralized management. And here are some examples of our solutions in real life projects. Like you can see, very used in luxury villas and residential sectors. You can see here in Spain, Italy, and in residential buildings. So you can see we have projects in Italy with Airzone, in Portugal, and in Spain. In the tertiary sector, we offer solutions that control different type of technology in different spaces, offering modularity and centralized management. So you have the possibility of managing the system externally from a BMS like KNX. This gives you versatility thanks to radio control and the option of zoning, flexible ducts that allow adapting the zone installation to the modularity of the office. All of this is transformed into a very aesthetic solution and very simple of installation and commissioning, which is transformed in energy efficiency improvement. You can, as I said before, one of our main advantages is the control of different type of HVAC technologies. Like you can have fan coils, equipment, direct expansion, and VRF integrating both control of individual and zoned equipment. And all of this can be controlled with our systems and obviously through KNX. One of the main benefits for a solution for hotels is that you can associate it with a card holder or a window detector. It can done integration with different manufacturers and enabling the global management of existing and rehabilitated spaces. So these are one of our examples of applications in offices. As you can see, we have Airzone and the Microsoft offices in Italy, Facebook offices in Spain, and Le Pegas offices in France. We have our solutions for hotels in different hotels around the world, Hungary, Spain, France, and our solutions for stores. As you can see, many brands that have Airzone in their projects. As my colleague said, Danielle, before, one of our highlights is that we offer training, personalized training to all our clients internationally, and we have an online platform. So if you want to get further information or learn how specifically our Agent Controller, our gateway, can be configured with the ETS software, there is an online course of integration Airzone with KNX that is available on our Airzone Academy. And that is all on our side. So thank you for your attention. For further information, as I said and showed you before, the compatibilities with manufacturers, you can always check it on our website, airzonecontrol.com. Our email to contact is projects@airzonecontrol.com. And yeah, you have our contacts here.